either sit like you are, or we can move this and you can put the lawn chair facing forward. Starts instantly and this fucking thing is... I guess if I open the throttle... What model is that one?